Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the Acer Aspire One off, unplug the AC adapter, and remove the battery so no power remains. Once done, ground yourself by touching the metal chassis or wearing an anti-static wrist strap to avoid damaging components. Flip the netbook and remove the 6 to 8 base screws. Keep them grouped by location so reassembly is simple. Make sure to store screws in a small container. Pry open the base gently from a corner, using a plastic tool to avoid cracking the case. Once the base is open, locate the 2.5-inch hard drive bay, often under a small metal shield or caddy. Remove any retaining screws holding the bracket. Note any rubber dampers or spacers. Gently lift the drive slightly and disconnect the SATA connector by pulling straight, not at an angle. This prevents bending pins. If the drive is in a caddy, slide it out. Keep track of the orientation so the new drive or cable reconnects the same way on reassembly. Slide the hard drive out of its caddy and place it in an anti-static bag, or prepare the replacement drive oriented the same way. Reattach any brackets and return the base cover, tightening screws in the reverse order you removed them. Reinsert the battery and connect AC, then power on to confirm the BIOS detects the drive. If the drive is not detected, power down and reseat the SATA connector, try the drive in an external USB adapter, and verify BIOS settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.